This is the new Godox BeamLight Max90.
You're watching CineD, supported by B&H and CVP.
Hey everybody, Grant Mailer-Sheldon here from CineD.com. Welcome back to NAB 2024. I'm joined by Jameson from Godox. And you know, the reason we're using the optimal selfie angle here today is to show this just massive Godox BeamLight behind me. So Jameson, can you just at a high level explain what we're standing in front of here?
This is our all new BeamLight Max90. So this thing is really cool because it's going to beam your light in a 5-degree parallel angle. And so it's like a laser beam basically for your light. But the idea is to project that light beam as far as possible without losing any of the quality of light.
Well, now let's dive in a little bit to potential use cases for this, because maybe the live event space, I don't know, I'm just usually able to kind of get the lighting a little bit closer and I don't need it to be a football field away. So tell me about some use cases.
Well, maybe you're trying to call Batman, or, no, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I mean, you could be trying to call Batman with this, Jameson, yes.
But I think that it would be really good if you wanted to create volumetric lighting by using CineD reflectors. Maybe you just need one large light source. You project that a long ways and hit it off as many CineD reflectors as you can, spilling all kinds of different natural looking arrays of sunlight all over your environment. So it might be a cool application. It'd be good as a spotlight, obviously. I mean, there's a lot of ways you could actually use it. It
could be a lighthouse. There's options. Okay, tell me about just pricing on the accessory itself. So this is the MG2400 bicolor lamp head you have attached there. So what about pricing for the lamp head and then for the accessory itself?
So right now, this is a prototype that we're looking at as far as the modifier goes. So this Max90 is just a modifier. It's going to go onto our GMount, which attaches to this light fixture. But the modifier itself is around $7,500. That's our estimated price right now. And then the light unit itself is also around $7,500.
So for those who don't know, can you walk me through GMount and which of your fixtures work with GMount?
So GMount is more of our professional, it's our new no LED application for our brighter light. So our 1200 watt bicolor light, our new 2400 bicolor light, which is this one right here. It has the GMount. GMount's cool because it has optics recognition, so it's going to basically talk to the modifier that you attach to it to allow the better utilization of what the light power is going to be, the intensity of it, and how it can use it for applications. Not only that, but it can actually power some of these modifiers that have internal cooling systems, which is really cool.
Does this modifier have an internal cooling system?
Right now, this one does not, but actually I've touched it, and it hasn't even been hot, the entire show. So I'm actually very impressed with it. We do have a VSA spotlight that is internal cooling system, and it actually has internal fans and stuff. So this one doesn't need it as far as right now. Maybe there's going to be a future version of this one that will have the internal cooling system, but time will tell.
Now, obviously you don't have the final specs at this point because it is a prototype, but I mean, it's big, so you're going to need a formidable stand to carry this thing. So we'll figure that out at some point, right? You'll release the specs?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I don't have the entire specs right now because it is so new and it's such a prototype, but we just wanted to get it out here, share it with the public, see what they think about it, just get some feedback on it, and make it perfect before we get it out there into production.
Well, look, I mean, it certainly turns some heads. So, Jameson, thank you so much for walking me through the brand new modifier from Godox.
Yeah, well, thank you so much for stopping by. Come and check out the Godox booth if you're around NAB. We'd love to see you.
All right, that's it for us here at the Godox booth at NAB 2024. Stay tuned for more continuing coverage from the show. And look, if you liked and subscribed, that would be amazing. Right, Jameson?
We would really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thanks, everybody.